My name is Tim Bussey. I'm the owner and founder of the Bussey Law Firm. I get asked a lot how I ended up becoming a lawyer. I was a scholarship ROTC student at the University of Iowa, and my goal was to be a pilot in the United States Air Force. And when I was a senior, I was applying to be a pilot, where I proceeded to flunk my eye test. Because I was committed, they had paid for my school. They gave me a couple different options. Went on to law school, received my law degree, and became an active duty judge advocate in the Air Force. I had a lot of experience, a lot of exposure, and a lot of responsibility as a young active duty judge advocate. I enjoyed the discipline and the regimen of the military, and I think it's helped me greatly in civil practice and defense practice. I transitioned from active duty into the reserves, and I began to work as a prosecutor at the 4th Judicial District Prosecutor's Office. And I prosecuted cases ranging from DUIs, domestic violence, all the way up to homicides. In 1997, I made the decision to start my own firm. I had a lot of people in the community saying, look, you're doing a really good job as a prosecutor here. You're good at what you do. You should really go into private practice. Didn't dip the toes in, I jumped in. As I was starting my practice, I had a lot of skill handling cases involving forensic evidence. So for example, on a DUI, there's blood tests, breath tests. I studied the science behind those tests and the testing, and really learned how to defend Colorado citizens that were charged with DUIs. I've testified in front of the Colorado legislature on bills that are being suggested or contemplated, advocating one way or the other or opposing, and I'm frequently called upon by other attorneys in the United States for me to look at their U.S. Supreme Court briefs. Since 1997, I've had an active, busy practice here in Colorado Springs, representing people here in the Pikes Peak region and throughout the state of Colorado.